Today, in Biomedical Back Corner, we're talking about what happens in cells during exercise.
Now, I'm running to the front corner. Oh man, I don't like the front corner. We're going back to the back corner.
As Brian is running, cellular respiration increases.
So what is cellular respiration? Respiration.
You know what, Mason? I'm glad you asked. You see, the glucose that you eat is stored in your cells, and when you break that down, you produce carbon dioxide, water, and energy.
ATP!
As a result of cellular respiration, CO2 levels increase,
Carbon dioxide!
and you need to get rid of it,
Carbon dioxide!
so breathing level increases. This is why Brian was panting after he ran.
Now watch me whip, watch me nay nay. Okay. Now watch me whip, watch me nay nay. Can you do it? Now watch me, watch me.
Thank you for joining us in this episode of Harper's Habitat. My first question is, what is life like in the front corner?
Life in the front corner is made of cells. Cells have the DNA just like life in every other corner of the earth. We have a lot of bacteria up here. I'm growing little colonies. You see some fungus here? That's lovely.
I agree. My next question is, how
Heterotroph.
often do your cells perspire?
Oh my gosh. How many stars are in the universe? How many bases of DNA are in your cells?
My final
Good luck
question.
counting that.
My final question is, on a scale of 1 to 10, how red is your face after exercising?
Well, I'm embarrassed by how slow I'm running, and my face is getting red so the heat can escape. So like a 9. Beet red.
9?
Beet red. Beets are alive, they have DNA too. When you eat them, you break their DNA down to nucleotides and put them back together as your own nucleotides.
Oh my
It's
God.
like you're part beet. Beets have a lot of fiber too, but I won't talk about that right now. See ya.
Well, that's debatable. There are basically two schools of thought.
Fact. Bears eat beets.
Oh.
Bears. Beets. Battlestar Galactica.
Bears do not. What is going on?
Thank you, Harper, for the nice segue into our new section of why is my face red?
Red!
Because you are hot, your blood vessels dilate.
This is triggered by the hypothalamus, which is somewhere back there.
This happens in order to release heat.
The increase in surface area makes the blood vessels closer to the skin, which is why they appear as red!
What else happens when you exercise?
In order to cool yourself down, your body releases sweat. This happens from the
Sweat glands!
Thank you for joining us on this episode of Biomedical Back Corner.
A big thank you to our wonderful production team at Biomed Back Corner.